Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again. This is your girl Mercy. Today I want to share with you all how I was able to achieve this feeding braid, this beautiful sleek feeding braid. The idea behind this braid is so funny. Can you guys believe that I literally went to work without my wig? Like, it skipped my mind, I forgot, and I didn't even remember until I got to the office, and my hair wasn't really tidied. So I had to figure out how to fix my hair to fit in my corporate environment. So this two feeding braid came to my mind and it turned out dupe. I'm actually wearing this style for the week. So I just want to share with you all how I was able to achieve this look, and I hope you love the outcome. So sit back and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, and let's see how it goes. At this point, I'm using my air gel, or you can use edge control to lay the edges for it to look smooth and sleek, you understand?